Today is the 3rd October 2021 and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging call. The topic of today, we are going to chat about is what are you afraid of that isn't true? What are you afraid of that isn't true? And everything that brings up all the DJCCs and all the press juniors, would you be willing to destroy and ungrade it all? Yes. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shots, boys and beyonds. So what are you guys afraid of? How many lies have you bought and keep contracting you, making you scared, fearful, go into doubt? You all know, hi Mamta, you all know they are all distractor implants. So, what are you afraid of that isn't true? Or all that you are afraid of is true? Tell me, guys. Are you, all that you're afraid of, is that all true for you? Indra, please, if you don't mind, mute yourself, darling.
Yes, yes.
So we are going to be quiet today. Is that the topic? How to keep silent? Are we going to keep a moan work? Two people are waiting. So, what are you afraid of? And you think it's true. I am going to tell you that it's not. Tell me what you made true in your life. Then you keep scaring yourself. Let's see a different possibility. मेरी आवाज किसी को सुन नहीं रही कि सुन के ना सुनी कर रहे हो?
Good morning, Kahar.
Good morning, Ranjana. How are you?
I'm okay. When you're asking about the scared thing, I'm scared of, my business.
What are you scared of in your business?
Well, it's a kind of a new line for me, line in a sense, in the same travel business, but it's a little diversion. And just want to make it a success, but I don't have too much experience in that.
What if every business was an entity by itself? It just wants to be birthed by you. After that, you allow it to expand. When you make yourself responsible for everything, then the business doesn't have a free hand to show you what magic it can create. Don't think you own it, because you don't. It has a life of its own. It should be treated as such. So if there is anything that's coming up in any area, you just need to ask a question. What is this? What do I need to do about it? Can I change it? If yes, how? Children are also your children, but they are not your commodity or property. It's the same way, everything is an individual entity. Yes, you were going to ask something.
Hi. What else is possible? How can I change? Kamal, you said, na, what else is possible? Ask, how can I change it? So when you say, how can I change it? What is in my mind?
You're asking yourself, you're asking the universe, you're asking the business. Business, does it want to change? Does it have, do you require to do anything here? Business talks to you. Birds, plants, animals, all walls, furniture, all talk to you.
So when you said that, do you want to, what do you want to change it? So what is at that time a thought came to my mind while you told me, is that no, I don't want to change it. I want to, be here and, like enjoy this particular business. So I don't want to change it. So that's a thought came to my mind. How do I correct that?
Change, what do you mean by change? How did you take change here? Change means change completely or whatever it is required to change.
No. You said now that ask business that what is it, and then how do I change it? So when I ask it, I don't want to ask the universe how do I change it, because I don't want to change it.
I get that with you. Don't take. I am just telling you that you can ask questions.
Okay.
You don't have to ask these questions if they don't apply to you. Oh, how do I change it? No, if there is anything that you require to change, then you need to ask this question. I just randomly told you that there are a million questions that you can ask.
Okay, thank you.
What works for you? You know better. I can never know.
Right.
Right? If there is anything required to change, if there's anything that you want to take your business along with you, take what I am actually coming to is take your business along. Don't separate it. Sorry. Can you make yourself? Can you mute yourself, Neera? Thank you.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. That's okay. So, what we do is we start something and then we think we own it and now we will do ye karo wo aise nahi waise nahi. What energy that I'm inviting you to is be present with what the business requires. Ask questions.
Okay. Thank you.
It's really simple. Enjoy it. Thank you for asking.
Thanks to you, Kamal. Thanks. God bless.
I hope it was of some help.
Yes, surely. Thanks.
Thank you. Yes, guys, what are you afraid of? That you keep perpetrating on yourself, keep telling yourself, and then keep fucking yourself up with it, with the lies that you have bought. What if there was a different possibility? What's true for you? Do you get it? You always got it. If you're telling yourself you don't know, then you're lying to yourself. You always know. Like you know. ये काम करेगा, ये नहीं करेगा. But you keep telling yourself lies again and again and again. मुझे तो कुछ पता नहीं.
Can I say something?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, so since last 1 week, I'm very much suffocated at my workplace. I don't understand is it is my thought or it is a reality. And मेरे अंदर ऐसा मैंने ही कूट कूट के भरा है कि जॉब इज द ओनली सिक्योरिटी फॉर मी एंड माय वाइब्रेशंस और it's very needy related to job. They don't need me, I need the job. That's what is going on in my head all the time, and I want to come out of it. So I'm asking the question. I'm in book reading club. It's very helpful for me. मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ what is it, what can I do about it, what else is possible, what else is possible. I want to get all these things, all this shit clear from my head. I'm not getting answer, and I'm very restless now.
So you do have no choice, right?
Yes, that's what I think.
No, what do you know? Just close your eyes and ask, do I have a choice? Say, I have no choice. Is it heavy or light?
I have no choice is heavy.
I have choice.
Light.
So you're making yourself wrong, or are you going to trust yourself?
I'm going to trust myself.
So what is it that you told me that you have a fear of a job, that that is
Yes.
the only security you have? Is that true?
Yes.
Is that true? That is the only security you have?
Yes, I think so. But again, not going
I
in
am not
thinking.
saying about thinking. We in Access say thinking is thinking. What do you know?
मैंने काफी कुछ चेंज किया है except this job. I'm with this job since so many years, so many. So अच्छे बदलाव लाए हैं, लेकिन very very afraid
अच्छे
of.
जो बदलाव लाए हैं वो तो पता नहीं, मैंने थोड़ी लाए हैं, वो तो पता नहीं कैसे हो गए, पर वो तो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं, अब ये बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है. As long as you are choiceless, I have no choice, the floodgates of possibilities will never open. And as you keep acknowledging even the little bit that you have changed, you said you've changed lots, but I am just saying, even if it is a little bit that you have changed, if you just focus on that, if you're just grateful for that, gratitude is the key to creating what you would like and have more of what you're having, what you're creating. But it's ironical that all of us never ever look at, undermine what greatness, what magic, what phenomenon, what brilliance we are, and we pick up on something to trouble ourselves, to be unkind to ourselves. How much you enjoy being unkind to yourself? Is it
No, I'm
fun?
not.
Is it fun to be unkind to yourself?
No.
Then what makes you choose that again and again? You contracted, that's not you. Your body is giving you information. Okay, immediately, okay, there's a question. There has to be a question. Okay, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? Rather than running that story in your head, ऐसी हुआ तो वैसे हुआ, मैं तो ऐसी हूँ, मेरे को ऐसे, your point of view creates your reality. What you run in your head, what you speak, words that come out of your mouth get created. You are that potent. If you only recognize how potent you are, you would never choose less, no matter what it takes. I am having this, I am changing this, I am not going to be unkind to myself. What if you treated you the way you should have been treated, rather than the way you were treated by this reality, by your parents, by everybody? You thought they were right. You thought that is true. That is the only way it is. Everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncage it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, pod, all night, short boys and beyond. तीन चीजें लिखो. Write down 3 things that are so important to you.
Okay.
That if you don't have them, life is not worth living. You don't want to continue living. And then ask a question. Are they true? Or you have bought those lies?
Okay, I will write.
None of your limitations are true, my love. None of them. They are all just choices. Choices to traumatize yourself. Choices to make yourself less. Choices that you don't have any choice. When you say you don't have any choice, you're making a choice to not have a choice. Nothing is predetermined. Nothing is set in concrete. Everything you choose creates. Okay, I don't have any choice. Tathastu. You don't have any choice. Oh, these people are bad. Tathastu. They will have to, you're projecting it at them. They have to be who you're projecting them to be.
Hello?
Yes. The choice you make now, the choice you make at this moment, I am committed to myself. I will never go into the wrong. I'm an infinite being. I can change anything. Those choices will determine the future that you will achieve, that you will create. You ask and you receive is a law. Universe you will give the universe a time to rearrange itself to match your choice. As your choice, so do you create. But you are choosing, oh, from my work, my job, my insecurity, I have no money. You keep continuously telling yourself that story. You are so powerful, you're continuously creating it. You don't even recognize. One question can change it. One energy shift can change it. But it's so tough, right? It's so easy to sit with all those stories and make yourself wrong and beat yourself up and be unkind to yourself. It's so much easier, na, than just asking one question.
No. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for asking the question, and sorry for laughing. because I see so much of self-created unkindness. If you actually saw that you are in an abundant universe and every molecule has your back, and if you choose to dance with the rhythm of this universe, and you take one step wrong, and the universe will bring you back into the rhythm. You can't go wrong. Just recognize the brilliance of you, the phenomenons of you.
Hi, Kamal.
Hi, Nida.
Excellent. My God. I hope Manisha is satisfied. Others, I have something to add over here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, thank you. So, for a very long time, I didn't make myself the source of everything.
You're cutting, Nida, you're cutting off,
Everything
darling.
else was a math, because it was just happening to me. But that's why I'm not clear. Hello.
In between you were clear, but in the beginning you weren't.
Now am I clear?
Yeah,
Now,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah. So just sharing that I also came from the same space. Like everything else was the source except me. I didn't figure in my world at all. मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं थी. वो zero बोलते हैं ना. I know zero is also huge, but anyway, I was nothing. Until the awareness. And how consciousness doesn't leave you, always has your back. It facilitates you into realizing that you are the source. And even like in this case also, the job, the fear for the job, or whatever you can call it, fear of dash, fear of this, fear of that, actually is facilitating you to realize that you are the source of everything. And when you get it, you get it. When you are the source, फिर क्या है? ABCD around you are just there because of you. You are the light. The sunlight is also you, because you are the sun. And that light that you feel is the sun is emanating is actually you are emanating. So I thought I'd just add that to this.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, you are the source. You are the universe.
Thank you.
You're making everything dance around you. Everybody dance around you.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Anybody else? Hello? What are you afraid of? Guys, what lies and fantasies are you using to create the reality you're choosing? When we live from these lies and fantasies, we impact our body to a degree that is horrendous. We lock our body, out of being itself. Now the body cannot choose to be itself. It is so bogged down by your points of views, your thoughts, your limitations, it has to cater to you because you are the boss. If you have a fantasy, if you have a lie or a fantasy that you've been telling yourself all your life, that these people in the job, that, okay, money, security, you don't have one without this job. then you have made them more powerful than you and your body. Like Neera said, you are the source. So you as a source have given these instructions that you are less than and you are insecure without your job. Tathastu.
No tathastu.
Yeah, very nice. If you don't have any, if you don't create it, if you don't have any point of view, how beautiful is that? If we could live our life from no point of view. Then you stop looking, then you stop thinking about the wrongness of anything. And you stop looking at how it is not contributing or contributing, what choices, what next. Your lies, your fantasies require you to judge yourself, to judge your job, to judge your life, judge your body for not contributing to creating that lie, that fantasy, that thing that you have made so, defined it and made so true. It's not real. Never can be, never should be, never will be, never ought to be. It's not your reality. You are just choosing it because of some distractor implant, because of what you saw others doing it. Because now is now the time to change. Is now the time to choose something different. Is now the time to commit to yourself. Is now the time to see things as they are and change them. Any area you can apply these tools, guys. They are magical. Any area. And afraid or fear is all distractor implant. They distract you from living, from being yourself. How can you be yourself when you made your job as your security greater than you? How can you be yourself when you made your husband, your children, your relationships, your body, your other things, anything, money, more important than you? You are the source. You are the one who's creating everything around you. उनकी कोई वक़्त नहीं है. आप कर रहे हो सब कुछ. अगर वो काम नहीं कर रहा आपके लिए तो चेंज करो. Flip the coin. What's true for me? Ask. People will say apna karti hai, she is insane, she doesn't see what this reality is. It's okay. Do you have the guts to see what's true for you? Are you willing to choose what's true for you? The purpose of life is to live it and have fun with it. Nobody tells us that. What if you taught people to have fun? What if you were the one who in the house people looked at and said, my God, I want to be like them. They have so much of fun. आपका नहीं दिल करता जो खुश कर एंजॉय कर पिक्चर देखते हो आप उसमें कोई एंजॉय कर रहा होता है कपल और रैश कर रहा होता है फ्लाई कर रहा होता है जा रहा है घूम रहा है गार्डन में गाना गा रहा है आपको अच्छा लगता है क्या क्या वो शशिकला वो मार रही है, किसी को पीट रही है और उसे टॉर्चर कर रही है, वो अच्छा लगता है? क्या अच्छा लगता है? War will cease to exist when enough people are choosing to live from the fun of it. Just remember, purpose of life is to have fun. Just for me, just for you, just for fun. Never tell anyone. If you need to, if you're with people who want you to be miserable, pretend you are having a miserable life while you are having good one. How can you manipulate it? Kamal, you're weird. What are you talking about?
Kamal,
Yes, go ahead, Rajeshwari.
yeah, just now आपने बोला कि just manipulate and pretend as if you're having miserable time and all that. Again, don't you think when we tell others कि we are voicing it out and वो words बाहर आता है, I mean that I'm miserable, ये हो रहा है and all that. So, don't you think that creates our reality again?
No, it doesn't. If you're functioning from awareness, you're choosing to be what people want you to hear. You're just saying that. You are just being true to yourself. कितनी बार आप बैठ के दूसरे को लेक्चर देते हो तो वो ठीक हो जाता है? जहां आपको पता है लेक्चर देने का कोई असर ही नहीं है, वहां एक्ट लाइक यू डोंट नो, एक्ट लाइक व्हाट दे वांट यू टू नो और वांट यू टू बी, and do what you want to do. Pretend you're having a miserable life. If people want you to have a miserable life, they judge you or whatever. You can do that. Yeah. They want to hear that. So let them hear that.
Okay.
You keep saying things like, you should have, if somebody is crying and miserable and three things you can't fight for: money, sickness, time. When people say, I don't have money, I don't have, I'm sick and I don't have time, you cannot fight. You cannot convince them out of that if they don't want to be. तो आप उन लोगों को लेक्चर देते रहेंगे तो क्या वो असर होगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
आपकी लाइफ खराब होगी. हाँ ठीक है, गैरी कितनी बार बोलते हैं, अच्छा ओह यू हैव सच अ मिजरेबल लाइफ, इफ आई हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ अ मिजरेबल लाइफ आई विल टेक अ गन एंड शूट माई सेल्फ. कोई वो सुनना चाहते हैं वो सुना दो, जो वो सुनना चाहते हैं वो सुना दो.
लेकिन प्रॉब्लम इज, लेकिन वो बोलना नहीं आता है, बोलने बहुत मुश्किल होता है बोलना. वो
बोलो, you don't have to give lecture. What I'm just saying is that don't have to convince somebody.
हाँ.
You don't have to convince anybody to follow what you know. If you know this gives you joy, go do it. What if generating life was a life that dedicated to how joyful it can truly be? Would you like to have a generative life? All the time,
yes,
changing, creating?
Yes, of course.
Then please dedicate your life to living in every moment of every day. Your whole life should be about doing it from fun. If it's not fun, why would you do it? Ask yourself, is this fun? Is this joy for me? Do it. If it's not, don't. And if somewhere you have to do something, then do it. Just because it's important to you to have that family. If it is not, don't do it. You are doing it for yourself. You're not doing, if you're doing it for your family, you have decided that you are nothing without your family. You want to be belonged. You want, then do whatever you want to. Like Gary says, you have picked up. Oh, come on, guys, we've heard you. So when Gary says, when you have, my birds, please forgive them. They want to sing at this moment.
No, but it is sound is good. Don't worry, let them.
ममता, आप कुछ कह रहे हो हमें?
मैंने कहा अच्छा लग रहा है, let them.
Okay.
Background music लगती है, let
Right,
them.
all right.
Yes,
तो
very
लग रहा है,
sweet.
चुप कर, चुप कर, चुप कर, चुप कर, चुप कर.
Oh, that is nice. That. No, let them.
So what was I saying?
You were talking about, how we try to convince people. Just let them be. Manipulate them by saying, हाँ हाँ, even though दिल से नहीं है हाँ हाँ.
हाँ. So it's not, हम कह रहे हैं ना, वो फिर सच नहीं है, फिर हम झूठ कर रहे हैं. No, you are just being so nice that you are saying what they want to hear. Go ahead. You are going on a straight road. There's a big poo in the middle. I want to go straight. I don't want to go this side, that side. Will you step on it and go? No. You know this person will not listen to you. There'll be a fight here. Maybe the difference of opinion will create some rift between us. Would you do it? No. You will go around it. Don't bang your head with the wall on the wall. Just go around the wall.
Thanks, Kamal. Can I add something here?
Please go ahead.
Yeah. And it's a muscle that you have to build. Ki dil se you're not saying yes, yes, or agreeing. And you know that because you're being in allowance of the other person. The other person is not going to get convinced ki there is money, there is time, there's everything. So instead of going into all the arguments and the trauma and the drama that we went earlier, now with all the tools that you have and you being the source of everything, you can even dissipate that energy. When I use this muscle, oh my God, it was fabulous. Instead of saying, nahi, nahi, tum galat ho, that's what you're telling the other person. So वो defensive हो जाता है. Instead of saying that, हाँ, तुम सही हो, हाँ, वाकई life is miserable, वाकई there's no money, वाकई it's horrible, this COVID-19 situation, or whatever the talk is about. And it dissipates the energy completely.
That's
Guys,
what they
it's a
want to
muscle.
hear. That's what they
Yeah,
want
they
to
want-
hear. खुश
yeah,
कर दो ना उनको.
उनको खुश कर दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तुम तो अंदर खुश हो ना, तुम तो अंदर खुश हो. They just want to hear that, and that's all. And then they feel so satisfied that they've convinced you. And give them that khushi. What difference does it make?
Thank you. Any more questions, guys? How much of your work are you doing because it is fun? And how much of it are you doing because you're obligated to? And how much are you doing because you need the money or you need the people? And how much of your life are you living from, I have to pay, I have to do, I can't do, I have no choice. Just get aware of that, guys. Life will become so much easier. We think it's a big job to be happy. No. You can just choose to be happy in every now moment, no matter what. And you heal the earth by being happy. You heal each and every molecule because that's what they are.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Looking pretty.
Sorry?
You're looking good.
Oh, thank you. आपकी नजरों का कसूर है. गैरी कहता है ना, जो खुद होते वही देख सकता है आगे. Yeah. So, any more questions, or we got a chutti now?
Oh, it's over. Shit. I missed.
No, 20 minutes are there.
So,
No,
20 minutes मौन वर्त है क्या?
नहीं.
पूछो फिर question.
But the topic is, what are you afraid of? No? Yeah, there were fears which were coming up. Some were awarenesses also, but then with the fear. So how can I change it actually?
So, where do these fears come from?
So I was perceiving people who were choosing to leave actually as it is. And it was like very very traumatic. Just as it is, I was perceiving.
It is traumatic, the word afraid, or you make yourself traumatic and give the word the energy.
So it is not like I like it just whatever they are going through, it just came as it is, like that. Then it comes as a trauma that for that time.
What's your question?
So there are certain fear attached, when I had those experiences, it was little shaky. How can I change that? Like fear towards it. Even if people are choosing to go away or whatever, but then how can I not have fear about it?
What do you have fear about? They're going it, or you will be going, or someone else will be going, or why they? What is your question?
Yeah, that's what, like, because I experienced that, then it created fear in my universe. What if this, like, I know, like, death is choice, I know everything, but still it was like fear of losing my loved one.
Still you love traumatizing yourself.
No, I don't do it like consciously. It was in the night suddenly that appears. Sometimes that too. Now it is not there.
So what do you do when that appears?
No, I just contribute because sometimes it's a way of like asking me for, if somebody requires contribution, I contribute. If they want to choose go away, then they can choose that, whatever is. But then there is little, like, fear of losing loved ones. That element is also there.
Whose reality is that? Are you living with your parents?
Yeah.
So,
Someone else
so
is
is
coming.
it losing them, or is it that what you get from them, that is what you will lose?
Sorry.
Is it losing them, or is the benefits and the contribution they are being to you? What are you afraid of? I want to know a simple question. I am afraid
I
of.
don't know whose fear it is. Like,
No,
it's very,
first
this
question is,
time,
who does this belong to?
yeah, it's
There are
somebody
so
else.
many people who are fearful today
Afraid
of
of him.
losing
I am actually not fearful of the death. I like, I know that already. So I get surprised, like, what is this? But then
Then what do you do? Then that's the beautiful question to ask. What is this?
Yeah,
That's when I was
I
telling you
can
what do you
pass, or
do is you
I
ask
do
questions.
this. Yeah. Maybe it is like someone else also, or maybe some of my distractor implants also. Either it's little bit mine or I bought it as a mine,
So do
but
you
then
want
I want to release
do
all
you
the
want
fear.
to
If I take
figure that
mine.
out or you
No,
want to
no,
let that go?
no, let that go, let that go. Fine.
Because you have a choice to figure that out and torture yourself more, or this, see it as it is and say, okay, bye bye.
Oh wow, it's like, yes, I was doing that. I acknowledge. Thank you so much.
Yeah. We are suffering from the lies that we have been told.
So I had this bimari of figuring it out. I have to
Yeah, we
remind
all
myself.
have. We all have. So when you recognize that, when figuring it out is fun, go do it. But
No,
when
no, it's not
figuring it
fun
out
all the
has
time.
an effect on you, then stop it.
Yeah.
Nothing is right or nothing is wrong. Is this really true? Or is this the lie that was used to make me responsible for what the person couldn't choose or what the other person is not choosing?
Right. Thanks.
Thanks. Yeah, this conversation is fabulous, Kamal. And also, you're just figuring out, to Hamara, we all love doing that, right? But it's time to let it go. Just want to add something here. वो जो 4 questions hai, what is this? What can I do with it? Can I change it? If so, how can I change it? Am I audible? Am I
Yeah, yeah,
audible?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I realized I mean, most of the time, this is the way I used to do it. I used to just rattle it off. There's a situation I would rattle. What is this? What can I do with it? This is what you have to, what is this? Like Kamal said, what is this? वही क्वेश्चन पूछो बहुत बार जब तक उसकी एनर्जी नहीं आ जाती अवेयरनेस आ जाती है नॉट you're not looking for an answer when you're saying what is this, but an energy comes up, and when that energy comes up, you have to say that what can I do about it. हम लोग I would just rattle it off, but just let's play with these 4 questions in any situation, especially when fear comes up. What is this? What is this? And just continue for a while, and let's see what comes up for all of us.
Thank you.
Okay. I read this Bing You book. Okay, it opens up and then I read this page. What if death is a choice? And all those, how, like, I'm just getting that, like how people are making all those unconscious choice. जब कुछ irritation होता है ना, जब चीजें अच्छी नहीं चलती तो irritation में how they make choice and that ask can come and all. I just felt like clearing that unconsciousness in my universe. So I did that.
Yeah, you can only do that for your universe. You can't do it for anybody else.
Yeah.
If you are relating to, if it is irritating you, if you have a point of view, if something's triggered there, maybe
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
doing it too.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Only if you create what has never existed before, are you going to create a possibility for a
Yes,
sustainable
yes. Like all these things, no.
planet. Yeah.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
every
you are
time.
just like anybody else.
Yeah, very true. Like every time, suppose this fear or whatever situation, it has made me opened up very different doors. Like, only that can happen when we like really knock to the different level, like different level of
Yeah.
thing, different
Yeah.
possibility. It's
So, what
waking up.
energy, space, and consciousness can I be to create a reality beyond this reality
Yeah.
that no one has ever thought of, considered, or achieved?
Yes.
Everything that brings up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, puff, pud, all night, short, boys and beyonds. That is the only difference between somebody who is dynamically successful and somebody who works within the confines of this reality. That is the only difference. Somebody who chooses beyond, somebody who thinks out of the box, somebody who follows what's true for them, and somebody who wants to belong and get approval and fit into this reality. What are you doing? Are you fitting into this reality? Or are you choosing for you?
I'm choosing for me, but there was one part of me because it has that habit, that inner child which didn't know like I'm different. So there is still one part which want to fit, even unknowingly. I just want to
Yeah,
let
there's not one part, there are a million parts which want to fit.
yeah,
They will
even
continue to. It will
okay.
never be the place you will reach that you will have it all. And you yet have it all here and now. If you're aware of where you are connecting, where you are engaging, where you are choosing, where what's true for you, a different kind of universe opens for you. And it could be
Yes,
in one area,
yes,
and the
yes.
second area will come up again. Okay, change me also, change me also. So don't make that wrong.
Yeah,
Maybe that area also is coming because that realization is also coming because you are asking for more consciousness.
yes, yes. And
So no
I also,
wrong, no right.
yeah, thank you so much. And also, like when suppose we ask for harmony or different consciousness, so I got that like in one of the course that unconsciousness will come up first. Like, these are the areas, this is the disharmony which require to be cleared, and rather than going into trauma, just witness it and shift the molecules and move ahead. Yeah, I
Turn,
can't hear you.
turn, expand yourself beyond this space you are in, and how much space do you require to be you, and then just look at the situation and just turn one molecule. One molecule. That's all it is required for it to change. Your awareness and your choice.
Yes.
You are trying to create a possible future, not a probable future.
Uh, what is the difference? Possible future and probable.
What are the possibilities rather than this is what I want?
Okay.
You're looking to create, okay, universe, with each and every molecule asking for what else is possible.
Yeah.
You're not defining it first and you want a probable future. This is what I want.
Oh, yeah.
If you create a probable future, you always have to go back to the past to reference.
Oh, right. I got something. Like I was asking this heaven on earth, and maybe I had some references. And I actually am
Ah,
seeing the changes. It's not like that things are happening. But yeah, I don't have to go for a reference or conclusion. Thanks for
ah.
that. Yeah. Maybe I have defined it, how it looks, how harmonious it looks.
You want to create something that you have predicted.
Yeah.
Unpredictable future sometimes scares people,
Yeah, yeah.
So unpredictable future is the future that's going to be greater than what you have imagined.
Yes. I keep asking what can we receive beyond imagination, what is possible
Beyond this reality, beyond
beyond this
imagination, which
reality.
or what I have never considered. What else?
Yeah.
What the possibilities are? Show me, universe. And then universe has now to show you. So, oh, she's asking. Okay, let me show it to her. Ask and you shall receive.
Kamal, could you please repeat that clearing? What
Have to listen to the recording, my love.
I always,
So I don't know what the record. Anybody remembers the?
Yeah, I remember. What can you receive beyond your imagination? What can you receive beyond this reality
thank you so
that
much.
never happened on this planet?
It was about possibility and probability. अगर आप पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए ओपन हैं तो दिखेंगी. अगर आपने पहले ही प्रेडिक्ट किया हुआ है कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, फिर वो ही दिखेगा. Nothing new can come into your world.
And Kamal, when we pave the way for new things, possibilities, we are actually paving the way for others also to choose it. Because वो पहले तो था ही नहीं. पहले तो था ही
Make it
नहीं.
available for others to choose it too. Yeah.
Available. So what a contribution we are just by choosing the possibilities, we are even contributing to others, then now you can also choose it, you know.
Exactly. That's how you crucial you are to the possibilities of the world.
Yes.
And I was just like, reading that, universe is like ever expanding. Like whatever possibility we can create, it is ever expanding. Whatever we ask, it is never less, it can create whatever, like beyond. So there are endless possibilities.
So what do we
infinite.
do? What do we
Infinite
do?
possibilities.
Yeah. So what do? We contract the universe to our reality rather than expand our reality, ourselves to its reality. Universe has our back, has abundance, there is wonder, there is curiosity, there's beyond what you ever imagined. So what if we expanded ourselves to where the universe will take us, the possibilities, where even imagination can't take you.
It's such a expansive energy.
That is the difference. That is the difference we need to choose. So what physical actualization of the future that could be are we refusing to choose? Not allowing it to choose.
Yeah.
Not allowing it to actualize. And if we just allowed it to be, what could that create in our life?
I can't. It's so
if we didn't refuse if we didn't refuse and allowed it to be, would actualize as more than we can ever imagine. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all night, short, boys, and beyond.
Thank you, Kamal.
you.
Yeah, and we most of the times हमको तो मतलब इससे पहले getting into consciousness, knowing that we are awarenesses and we can perceive, know, be and receive. उसके पहले तो हम लोग body में ही रहते थे, contracted ही रहते थे. But now, with your calls and with all that we are right now perceiving, what about being in that expansive state every second, choosing it? Not just choosing it when you feel contracted, but what about choosing
that's
it all
a choice.
the time? That's a choice. Choose it every second. And you know, if you ask the universe, make the universe a sugar daddy. Universe, मुझे याद दिला दो यार. I have to be. I am expansive. I am you. You are me. Show me and let me be that all the time. Not just remind me एक बार या दो बार दिन में. So imagine, guys, if you are that expansive, huge, infinite universe, every nanosecond of your life along with your body, because the body is just as important. You've chosen it as an, and that is your embodiment. Oh my God, what can that create, guys?
So there is a clearing that I use very often. So what energy, space, and consciousness can we be? You can say, can I be? To employ the universe for all eternity. Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all night, short, boys, and beyond. Employ the universe. Now the universe will let you know what is required at what time, in what situation, in everywhere. You have somebody who has your back, but now you've even asked it to remind you. Yes. So it's 9, guys. I'm going to stop the recording. You were waiting for 9. You were waiting for 9 o'clock, darling?
No, I'm waiting for, I was hoping Namrata would stop talking, but she just kept on asking questions.
So you have to assert yourself. Namrata was choosing herself. You could have chosen yourself too.
मैं उदास आज, so I was like, whatever, I'll let it be. I was contemplating.
So you're the dumps. All right, tathastu. Okay. What's your
so my
question?
मैं डरदी मेरी जवानी रुलदी पई है क्योंकि मैंने कोई विआह नहीं लभदा नहीं. really
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾ ਲੈ ਵਿਆਹ
Speak in English. Speak in English.
This is made you smile, you know. It is a true fact. Today, just I was like, what is up? Like, why aren't any of my suitors working out?
Why? Why is not a question, my love?
I've been clearing all day today. Like, you know, what would it take for me to find a person, you know, who's a contribution and all that stuff? I do it every day, not just today, but today I've been doing it heavily. But what am I missing?
My favorite question, can I give you?
Can I what?
One of my favorite questions, can I give you? What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to have a nurturing, caring, contributive, expansive relationship? No, to have somebody come into my world who's nurturing, caring, contributive, and expansive and propels me forward to a future I haven't even considered possible. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys, and beyond. You can use this for anything. I used it to get the house. I use it to get every area of my life.
Okay. Because I've been using the first part of it every day without I've been using the first part, like who's a contribution to me, who can co-create with me, who's nurturing, honoring, and is wealthy.
Jazz, get married to consciousness.
And today,
Can I add something? I am getting that are you aware of different possibility with conscious partner?
Can't hear you, darling. Can't hear you. I couldn't hear you, Mamta, Namrata.
No, Jazz, are you aware of different possibility with relationship with conscious partners? Are you, can you bring some different reality? It just came to me, so I'm just asking you.
She's been asking also.
I am aware of some different reality with the partner. And, that's why maybe we are little late. Because
yeah. So what if what you are asking for is less than what the universe wants to give?
Exactly. You are like trying to fit in, but you are something greater. Like you can create so much. So,
Also, what's right about this? What's right about this came to me so big, yeah, Jazz. What's right about this where you are? What's right about you that you're not getting? You can ask that at least 200, 300 times and see what it creates.
I will be as soon as this call is over. Because
And
today I'm
also
like,
one more question is coming up, Jazz. One more
Yeah.
question is coming up. What you have asked for is what you have known, not what could be.
Beautiful.
because the person is what I have known.
So when you get an inkling of what can be, but you don't try to define it, a different reality can show up. Where also he should have money, he should be tall, he should be dark. No. A question should be open-ended, where you don't know what the answer is.
नहीं बट ना उस टाइम पे बहुत सारे लोग शो अप करते हैं फिर समझ में नहीं how to have that clarity.
So let's keep this topic for next Sunday. Wow,
Yes,
what would the heading be?
Yes.
Conscious relationships.
All right, let's have conscious, intimate relationships.
Yes. Wow.
perfect.
Great.
Be perfect timing. I'll be in my new place. This is like goodbye to this is my last week in this place. So
Okay,
yes,
have
next Friday.
fun. Maybe universe is taking you there for some reason.
Yes, my adventures.
What
are
else
ready
is
to begin.
possible? What would it be like if that was greater than anything you could ever imagine? Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, online, short, boys, and beyond. So
Thank
what
you.
was the intimate relationship? What came before that?
Creating conscious
I
intimate
say
relationships.
creating intimate relationships, conscious intimate relationships. Yeah. Cool.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Have a great day. Love you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kamal.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. God
Thank you,
bless you.
Ranjana. Thank you. Usha didn't ask any question. Usha, can you survive till the next week?
Yes. But I enjoyed the question what Jess was asking. That
Okay,
was also my ask.
cool,
Maybe more
cool.
than
Cool. You gave her the instructions to ask your question. Awesome. Potent being. Bye.